Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor on Android phone. In this video, I will show you how to protect your PDF from copying, printing, or screenshot your PDF file or your PDF content without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your PDF file. So I'm going to open up this particular PDF file right here. Have you opened up your PDF file? Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Content Editor. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this top right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Security. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn on this particular button. Go ahead and set your password. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and turn on this particular button again. Then go ahead and set in your password. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you check this. Restrict document from printing, restrict document from copying. Check on that also. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Done. Then choose your file destination. Go ahead and select Document. Then click on OK, just like so. Please enter the password to open. You have to make sure you provide a lock password to unlock the PDF. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and exit from the PDF editor right here. Now let's go ahead and check the file on my file manager. File manager right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Browse. Then go to Documents. Then go to PDF. Then here we go. We have it right here, encrypted. Go ahead and open up the PDF. Then you have to enter the password to unlock. So go ahead and enter your unlock password. Hit enter. The password has been unlocked. Now, if you try to make copy on the document, you hit copy. It will ask you to enter the copying password. I'm going to go ahead now and enter the copying password. Except you have the password, you won't be able to copy. It's that simple. Let's go back to the document again. License encrypted. Enter the login password to unlock the PDF. Now you are trying to make a copy or you want to print, it asks for password right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about PDF editor like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, let me quickly show you on how to download and install this powerful PDF editor for free on your Android phone. For that, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. Then go ahead and click on Search. Go ahead and click on Search Apps and Games. Then go ahead and type in this particular keyword right here, Systric PDF Editor. And here you go. Go ahead and click on it. And then download and install this particular PDF editor and start editing your PDF or secure your PDF all for free. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.